shape of liquid drop and a solid interface. The shape of liquid drop on a solid surface. We know that when a small amount of liquid drop is dropped on the surface of solid, then either it spread over the solid or from the small droplets, depending upon the nature of surface of solid and liquid, and depend upon which type of liquid dropped on the surface of water. Now we consider two figure A and figure B. In figure A, we consider in figure A and figure B. In figure A and B, theta be the angle of contact. Theta is the angle of contact, and also let T1 is the force due to surface tension of the solid liquid interface. This T1 is the force due to solid and liquid interface. Also we assume T2 is the force due to surface tension of the solid air interface. This T2 is the solid air interface, and T3 is the force due to surface tension of the air liquid interface. Solid liquid, solid air and air liquid interface. This is the component T1, T2 and T3. For equilibrium condition for equilibrium condition, the relation between T1, T2, T3 and angle of contact is given as cos theta is equal to T2 minus T1 divided by T3. T2 minus T1 divided by T3. This is the equilibrium condition and the relation between this T1, T2, T3 and angle of contact. Now consider some cases. There are four different conditions of the first condition. If T2 minus T1, if T2 minus T1 is less than T3, if the T2 minus T1 is less than T3 or T2 greater than T1, then the cos theta is equal to positive. Cos theta is equal to some positive value. Hence, theta is the acute angle or angle of contact is the acute angle as shown in figure P. If this condition is satisfied, that is T2 greater than T1 or T2 minus T1 is less than T3, then the value of cos theta is positive, hence the theta is acute angle or angle of contact is the acute. Second, if T1 greater than T2 or T1 minus T2 is less than T3, then the cos theta is equal to negative value. The cos theta become negative, hence theta is abscissa angle, that is angle of contact is, or value of theta is greater than 90 degree, that is abscissa angle of contact as shown in figure B, if this condition is satisfied. Now condition number next, that is condition number 3. If T2 minus T1 is equal to T3, if T2 minus T1 is equal to T3, then the cos theta is exactly equal to 1. Cos theta is exactly equal to 1 and theta is exactly equal to 0, that is angle of contact is 0. When the T2 minus T1, the difference between T2 and T1 is equal to T3, then the cos theta is equal to 1 and theta is equal to 0, that is angle of contact is 0. And number 4, this is the last condition. If the value T2 minus T1 is greater than T3, is greater than T3, then if the T2 minus T1 is greater than T3, then we observe cos theta is greater than 1. The value of cos theta is greater than 1. But this is not possible. Or which is impossible, and in that case the drop will be not formed. Drop will be not formed. This is about the shape of liquid drop on the solid surface. When the drop is the water drop or liquid drop is placed, or when small drop of liquid is dropped on the surface of water, then there is 3 forces act on that drop, that is T1, T2 and T3. T1 is due to solid liquid interface, T2 is due to liquid air interface, T2 is due to liquid and air interface. And when these conditions number 1, 2, 3 and 4, the fourth condition, if T2 minus T1 is greater than T3, then the cos theta is greater than 1, but this is impossible and drop is not formed on the surface of water, that is drop spread over the surface. Now we discuss another small topic, that is some factors, or which factor affecting on angle of contact. That is, the next topic is the factor affecting factors affecting on factor affecting on the angle of contact. First, the nature of liquid and solid is in contact with each other. That is, the first factor affect on angle of contact is the nature of liquid and nature of solid. The which type of nature of solid, or which type of solid and which type of liquid is contact with each other, then this nature of liquid and solid changes, the angle of contact is also changes. That is, the nature of liquid and nature of solid affect the angle of contact. Second, impurity. Impurity, there are two types of impurity, soluble impurity and insoluble impurity. If both the impurities is added in liquid, if any type of impurity, it may be soluble impurity or it may be insoluble impurity, is added in liquid, then the surface tension and angle of contact is changes. The impurity added in liquid, the angle of contact is also changed. And number 3, temperature. The temperature of liquid changes. If the temperature of liquid changes, that is, temperature increases or temperature decreases, the angle of contact also change. That is, changing temperature of liquid, the angle of contact is also change. That is, if temperature increases, then the angle of contact decreases. Mostly, in most cases, the temperature increases, the angle of contact decreases. That is, in short, the temperature of liquid change, the angle of contact is also change. Or number 4, for particular solid liquid interface, the angle of contact remain constant. These are the 4 factors affect the angle of contact. The first factor, the nature of liquid and solid, म्हणजे जे कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये येणारं लिक्विड आहे आणि सॉलिड आहे त्याचं नेचर कसं आहे, म्हणजे ते केरोसिन आहे का वॉटर आहे का दूध आहे का मर्क्युरी आहे. लिक्विड बदललं किंवा त्याचं नेचर बदललं तर अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट सुद्धा चेंज होतो. सॉलिड सरफेस सुद्धा बदलला, समजा तो सॉलिड सरफेस क्लीन ग्लास आहे तो सॉलिड सरफेस, एखादी वॉल आहे, एखादी फरशी आहे, त्यानुसार अँगल ऑफ नेचर जर बदललं आपण लिक्विड आणि सॉलिडचं तर अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट सुद्धा चेंज होतो. नंबर 2 इम्प्युरिटी. एखादी इम्प्युरिटी जर आपण पाण्यामध्ये ॲड केली, फॉर एक्झाम्पल डिटर्जंट असेल, शुगर असेल, काही इम्प्युरिटी सोल्युबल असतात, काही इनसोल्युबल असतात. दोन्ही प्रकारच्या इम्प्युरिटी जर आपण लिक्विडमध्ये ॲड केल्या तर त्या लिक्विडचा अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट चेंज होतो. नंबर 3 टेम्परेचर ऑफ लिक्विड. तर लिक्विडचं टेम्परेचर चेंज केलं तर अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट सुद्धा चेंज होतो. मोस्टली जास्त प्रमाणामध्ये जर टेम्परेचर वाढलं, जास्त लिक्विडमध्ये असं आढळून येतं की टेम्परेचर वाढलं तर अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट त्याचा कमी होतो. दिस इज अबाउट द फॅक्टर अफेक्टिंग अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट.